Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting both devices ready. Make sure the Android TV and your Oppo phone are on the same Wi-Fi network, because casting needs them visible to each other. Once done, enable Bluetooth briefly on the phone if the TV asks for discovery. On the TV, open network settings and confirm the IP address so you know it's connected. Now, on your Oppo, unlock Quick Settings and tap Cast. This first step makes the devices discoverable and begins the connection process. Next, you focus on the detailed connection. On the Oppo, go to Settings, then Connected Devices or Display Cast depending on color OS version, and choose Screencast. You'll see a list. Select the Android TV name that matches the TV's model or IP. Make sure to accept any permission prompts on both devices so audio and screen sharing are permitted. If the TV shows a PIN or pairing code, type it into your Oppo immediately. This step secures the link and completes the complex middle handshake between devices. To finish, verify the phone screen appears on the TV and that audio routes correctly. Make sure the TV input reflects the casting source. If touch or audio lags, stop casting from the Oppo, wait a few seconds, then restart the cast session. You may need to restart the TV or phone if the stream fails. If problems persist, reboot both devices and the router. Then try again. This simple troubleshooting tip clears most network or discovery errors and gets you back to a smooth cast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.